YouTube, David X saying I'm back again. So, as I said, we're gonna be lighting something the fireworks thing. So, we're gonna be starting very, very soon. Oh, let's see. Take a look on the inside. Hey, grab the stuff.
We have to wait for Poppy, because Poppy's doing it.
Okay, cool.
Don't you need a cup of water for this? Like you usually do, or no?
No.
It's too long.
We're gonna play it safe today. I mean, sorry, not safe.
Mom's gonna need a cup of water.
We're playing it safe this year. Again.
They're very long.
Let me see. Let me see.
Hey,
So mean.
I'm trying to count how many there are.
5. It says it's on the package.
How?
Boy! Oh well. Nothing. Let's see. Oh, that's what it is. I know. Okay, so my friend should be coming any minute now. No idea when. So, as I said, I'm going to upload video. I don't know when she... What? Okay. Here. Okay, there she is. Yeah. I guess. Hello. I only said 2 things. How is that spamming?
Well, on my Xbox it appeared as spamming. I don't know why. Or was it my friend that was spamming? Probably Egg. Egg was probably spamming me.
Oh, did
All I know is that someone was spamming me. But I saw your username first, so I thought, did this fool spam me?
Oh, no. I would never do that. Unless it's on a, oh, okay. Unless
I don't
it's
have
on...
any phone, and my mom took my Xbox controller so I could only turn it on and see the reply. But I couldn't reply back.
It's perfect. So look at the dangers that we have.
Oh, dangerous.
Dangers.
Explosions. I like explosions.
Yeah.
I like blowing things up with dynamite. Oh,
That's fun.
I wish we could. I wish I had. I didn't. I wish I actually ever blown up something I've never blown.
That's fun. That would be fun.
You want to wait for Grandpa?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
I've never blown anything up before besides someone's Discord account. Besides someone's Discord DMs, I've never blown up anything.
Oh yeah. And I'm a YouTuber.
You mega YouTuber?
Yes, I got 3 whole subscribers. I just
I
gained
have 4.
I gained 1 today.
I have 4.
Nice.
Go shout out to Maddie is Fluffy. Maddie spelled MADDIE.
Okay.
Go subscribe, like, and comment. I only have 2 videos for him.
I have more videos.
Because my mom keeps deleting my YouTube channel. This is another one. I have like 5. I've had like 5 right now.
Point is like, sorry, your YouTube Premium trial is about to expire. You fool! I have 70 alternative accounts.
No, my mom actually just deletes the YouTube channel.
Oh,
She straight up deletes it because she doesn't want me having a YouTube channel.
how come?
But I don't care. I make another one anyway.
Just hide this one at least. Hide it.
I hope she doesn't find out about this one. That's right. Okay.
You today. Oh, did you almost die?
Yes, I've been on TikTok way too much. So my birthday was Tuesday.
Oh.
Happy birthday.
Yeah, happy belated birthday.
Wait, her birthday was before Dad's.
So wait, your birthday came out when Spider-Man Far From Home came out.
July 2nd, yeah.
Yeah. Triggered.
Magic.
Excuse you.
I wish I had something.
Bibbidi bobbidi boo.
Also, my birthday party wasn't today. Also, guess what my brother did?
What?
My brother used his fingers to eat my birthday cake. He's a monster. Why did he do that?
Blow him up.
No, explosions.
It's like
You gonna wait till it gets dark?
Yeah.
It's gonna be a while before it's dark.
Explosions. I was just in my room watching Detroit Become Human because I have no life or will to live.
9 o'clock-ish.
wait. 28 stab wounds.
Wait, do you know what Detroit Become Human is?
Yeah, a little bit.
Oh my god, watch it, mate.
Do you guys want to wait till it's dark,
I don't know.
or do you want to start doing them now?
What time is it now? It's 8:12. So it's about
We'll have to wait an hour.
48 minutes left.
Seriously? I'm not waiting that long. I'm too high.
Wait, hold on.
High up in the sky.
Oh no, 58 minutes. Sorry. No, not 58. No, yeah,
I thought you said
48.
too high. I was about to be like you higher than the sky. Weed. Oh god. Ouch.
That doesn't hurt.
All right.
Can
what are we
can we
doing?
We're just gonna do these, and then we're gonna wait for those.
When it gets struck.
Do these and wait for those.
Yeah.
All right.
Fire.
I'm backing.
I like fire.
Then you're creepy.
I remember when my
David
I remember when my jacket got set on fire from me accidentally putting it on a candle.
Oops.
I was like,
Stay still. David.
everyone else was laughing. I was just crying and screaming because back then I was terrified of fire.
Sorry, bug.
Oh, there it is.
Look at it, Poppy. Look at it.
You're making the infinity sign. Infinity and beyond.
Wait, I forgot.
To infinity and beyond.
Wait. Ready?
Hello.
Everyone dies.
Everyone dies.
Aquaman drowned in Infinity War and Endgame. Look how fast this
David
going.
dies in Endgame.
I do?
Yes, you do.
Mr. Stark, I don't feel so well.
David!
What?
Because you're trying to feel what it sparks.
There's nothing.
I bet. Oh my god.
There's nothing.
Can't you speak?
There's nothing. I don't feel a thing. Entwine. Oh, jeez.
You're fine.
Bibbidi bobbidi boo.
I keep bending it.
Wait, ready? Bibbidi bobbidi boo.
Once you down put...
This
Yeah.
is the Infinity Gauntlet. Wait, look. Everyone dies.
wait. This is gonna be
Wait,
fun.
I seen someone make a Thanos Old Town Road remix and one of them, and my brother didn't like when I sang it my own way.
I'm gonna snap everyone from existence.
No. It
Oh,
was
God.
like, no, it was like, Spider-Man is dead. No, it's Black Panther's dead. Spider-Man is dead.
I don't feel so good.
Iron Man is dead now.
Yeah.
Everyone is dead. I just wiped out half of your population.
Can you
now I
do that
could destroy
again?
your entire nation. I'm gonna bring the balance.
What?
That's their actual song, but I added my own twist in it.
Oh,
That
they
was-
should have said,
that-
I'm gonna erase everybody from existence. I'm gonna snap my 2 fingers.
He knows how to snap down, won't stop showing it off. Because he's obsessed with Thanos. He's a Thanos fanboy.
You know we're gonna have to blow him up, right? Because he killed Spider-Man.
Wait, don't...
He already died!
I know.
Mom, don't...
I still need to see Endgame, though. I'm sad I haven't seen it yet.
Iron Man dies.
Yeah, that was kind of obvious because from the trailer of Spider-Man Far From Home.
Wait,
He actually doesn't die. Spoiler alert. He's just trapped in a ship in outer space.
So you mean he got hulked?
How did he get home?
now you put it in...
Because they did that to him in, I think in the Avengers movie.
I'm the one
But-
who has mine.
I can't fix anything.
Ooh, the sizzling
Brother.
sound. Will I come over here?
What is it?
Come
Oh.
over. I'm gonna drag this.
Wait, what's his name?
William.
Oh, there's.
Come here.
It's fire. No, stop it.
Fireworks.
Hello.
It's Thanos. You forgot you're recording me.
And I didn't.
Is that an abandoned house?
Yeah, for now.
Looks freaking abandoned. Also, they're almost done that house over there, and I'm shocked.
Let's go investigate that abandoned house.
Heck no. I think somebody
This
lived
ain't
there.
gonna be pacifying up in here.
Wait,
No.
on the side of that is not done yet.
Well, there's some demon girl inside.
Yeah, but
This
I've,
ain't no pacifier.
I've been in this house a lot before.
There better ain't be no demon girl up or I'm out.
I am the what?
The demon girl.
I know.
The pacifier. Wait, you're the demon girl?
No.
Transgender?
Wait, the rain has stopped since yesterday. Just walks away. Wait, no.
So are we doing more, or are we gonna wait till dark?
Well, it's already gonna be. Well, it's already
Hey.
gonna start being dark.
Alright, I'm gonna stop recording now.
Hey,